Hey y'all, it's Rosangela. I'm back. So I've decided to give YouTube another try. So today I'm actually going to start with my very first Boxycharm review. And so stay tuned and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so if you didn't know, Boxycharm is a monthly box subscription that costs $21 a month. You can cancel whenever you'd like, and they send you full-size versions of whatever product they send you. So it's anything from skincare, makeup, hair care, body care, and so I've watched a few videos on different makeup subscription boxes, and then I made the decision to go with Boxycharm. And so here is my first unboxing. I didn't sign up in time for the original March subscription box. What I got is what they call the FOMO box. So basically it's a bunch of things that they just compiled over that they had, I guess, left over from months before, any extra products that they had from this month, and then they just put them all together in a box for people that didn't sign up on time, or if they ran out of the products for this month's subscription box. Again, that was the Boxycharm, the FOMO box. So come along with me. We'll get to see what's inside. We'll look at the products and the price list. Okay, so first things first, please excuse my nails and my stuffy sounding voice. So last week was the first day of spring, and also I haven't done my manicure in like a month. So ignore that. Let's look at all the pretty little things inside our box, okay? So this is what your box will look like. I got mine in the mail. If you live in an apartment, it should fit inside of your mailbox. This fit perfectly inside my mailbox, and so the postwoman had brought it in, and it didn't need to be left on my door or anything special like that. And so we open up inside, and this is what it looks like inside. It's got the Boxycharm hashtag, and then it's got this little card. So this is the March's FOMO box, which I'm guessing fear of missing out is what FOMO stands for. And so they'll send you a little card basically with everything that you're getting in the FOMO box. So we're going to be looking at some mascara, some gloss, an eyeshadow palette, a sheet mask, and some brushes. Okay, so it comes with this like foamy overlay, I guess, to protect any of like your bottles or your lotions getting smushed, which is really good. And so the first thing that we see in here, let's pull this out. So the first thing we have are these Moda powder and soft glow brushes. These are worth $29.99 is what it says they retail. It says it's excellent to use as wet or dry. They're waterproof, the handles, and they're also metallic. It's made out of aluminum foil, and it says it has quality fibers and secure bristles. Okay, so for the big one, it's showing us that it's for the powder, to pat translucent powder. The second one is for soft glow, so I'm guessing that one is good for like a highlight. So let's go ahead and open these up just to kind of see how they're packaged and what the quality is. So they've got this cute rose gold chrome on the brush handles. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up, and each one of them are individually packaged as well. Okay, so the first one, which is a soft glow, see if I can scooch this out. So it's got kind of like a pointy handle. I love the metallic finish, and then there's the Moda logo. And so here we have these bristles that are like super soft. They're very, very flexible. I definitely would not use this as a foundation brush or anything like that. Definitely like highlighter or a translucent powder. The bristles are super, super soft. So there's this one, and then there's this bigger one, which is the powder brush, again with the metallic pinky rosy gold finish, and then the pointy handle, and then this really soft, flexible, long bristle. Okay, so when I say that, I mean to say that it's got little to no control. So this is definitely not a stiff brush. This is more for powders, for shimmer, for highlights, for things that are just gonna like smoothly like go right on your face. I love this brush. I'm gonna try it out and see how it works. Next thing we've got here is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Now, I love this mascara. I have never actually bought a full size tube of it. I usually get like the small little sampler sizes, but I know from the get-go I am definitely gonna like this because I've already tried it and it works for me. I love that thick, uneven, bristly wand. That's usually what gets the volume for me. And because my lashes are long, but they are fine, I need something like this with really black mascara to really get in there. And so our card says that this one retails for $24. So far we've had a $29 brush set and $24 mascara. So the next thing that I pulled out of the box is this Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 eyeshadow palette. And it says that it's 1.5 grams, and our postcard says that this retails for $36. So let's go ahead and open this up, see what it looks like. I'm not big on eyeshadows unless they're like either light colored or like super glittery or like nude. I find that I don't know how to do my shadows yet. Oh, this is a really pretty palette. So it's got this mermaid pattern on the front with a gold finish. I love this. And so let's take a look inside. Oh, I'm so glad. Okay, so if you see here, we have this huge mirror. I mean, it's ridiculously big. I love that. So we've got this big mirror, and I'm happy to say a bunch of glittery and nude toned eyeshadows. So I can definitely use this. If you're a person that's into nudes or you like doing like metallic or shimmer looks, then this palette is definitely for you. I wasn't sure what it was going to come out to, if it was going to be like really bold or warm colors. I would have had to give it away to my sister or somebody, but I can definitely use this. And I love that it's a huge mirror, but the palette itself is also compact enough where you can just shove it in a purse and take it with you. And so I hope to get some good use out of this one. Okay, the next thing we have in here, let's pull this out, is the Tula Probiotic Skincare. So I'm guessing Tula is the brand of the skincare brand, and it's called the Bright All Night Energizing Sheet Mask, and it comes with 2 sheet masks, and it says on here in the packaging that this was packaged exclusively for Boxycharm. So you probably won't find it exactly like this or with this quantity or with this size in stores. So it's got these 2 sheet masks. Ooh, I love the hollow look. So these hollow looks, and it says Bright All Night Energizing Sheet Mask. It says that these are worth $24. Okay. So it says it's infused with probiotics and fermented birch water. Each one holds 1 sheet mask. And as you can see, it says that birch water is used to lock in moisture and give an even tone appearance. And then it's also got some hyaluronic acid and citrus extract, which says it's used to energize and brighten the skin and give a more plump and glowy appearance. And so they have some very easy to use steps on the back and an ingredient list for you to look at if you know all about that and you're really interested in what kind of things you're putting on your face and on your body. So happy to try these out. I love skincare. I think that's one of my favorite things to receive. And so the last but not least thing in here is from Ariza. I'm hoping I said it right. Ariza Beauty. And it is a Rose Glow Lip Gloss. It says that this is $14.99. So definitely a rosy kind of pinky gloss. Oh, I have to remove the packaging, I see. Okay, so I managed to remove the packaging on this. And so let's open it up. It's got this little doe foot applicator, and it's got a lot of glitter, it seems like. Let's try it. just on my hand here. So this is definitely a glittery lip gloss. Not much color to it, if at all, but I hope the camera, the light is catching it there. It's got a lot of sparkle to it. So a very glittery type of shimmery metallic-y lip. So if you're into that, this is definitely something to look forward to, and it comes in this March FOMO box. This is not up my alley. I will probably be giving this away to somebody who loves to have shimmery lips. Sorry. For some reason, shimmery lips don't look good on me. I don't know why. Womp womp womp. So there's a lot I tend to miss out on. But it looks like a good product. I won't be trying that one out. But I will definitely be giving a try to all the rest. So if you're interested in signing up for the Boxycharm monthly subscription box, this is exemplary of what kind of things you'll receive and the number of items and the quality and the brands of, you know, what Boxycharm is all about. So if you're interested, definitely visit their website. That was all for today. I hope you guys have a great rest of your week, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.